7 mysterious space encounters. Astronauts reveal their most unexplainable experiences. 1. Chinese astronaut Yang Liwei's noise. In 2003, Yang Liwei, China's first astronaut, reported hearing mysterious knocking sounds on his spacecraft during the Shenzhou 5 mission. The noises resembled someone striking the body of the ship from the outside. Despite thorough investigations, the source of these sounds was never identified. This unexplained phenomenon remains a unique and intriguing incident in the history of human space exploration, sparking various theories and speculations. 2. The Fireflies. During his 1962 orbit around Earth in Friendship 7, astronaut John Glenn observed what he described as fireflies outside his spacecraft. These glowing particles appeared to be moving along with the capsule. Initially mysterious, these fireflies were later identified as tiny ice crystals that had broken off the spacecraft and were illuminated by sunlight. Glenn's observations contributed to understanding the behavior of particles in space. 3. Apollo 11 music on the far side of the moon. During the Apollo 11 mission, astronauts reported hearing a peculiar whistling sound while orbiting the far side of the moon. Described as space music, the noise was heard through their communication equipment. Some suggest it was radio interference, while others propose more mysterious explanations. Despite various theories, the true source of the sound remains a topic of intrigue. 4. Skylab 3 bright light. In 1973, the Skylab 3 crew, including astronauts Alan Bean, Owen Garriott, and Jack Loosma, witnessed a bright red light that appeared to follow their spacecraft for a short period. The light was visible outside the station and seemed to move in tandem with their orbit. The phenomenon eventually disappeared, leaving the astronauts puzzled. The source of this light remains unexplained, adding to the list of mysterious space sightings. 5. Salyut 7 incident. In 1984, Soviet cosmonauts aboard the Salyut 7 space station reported seeing glowing lights and figures that resembled angels. These sightings occurred during their mission and were described as ethereal beings outside the station. The event captured the imagination of both the public and the scientific community. While some explanations suggest it could be a visual illusion or space debris, the incident remains a fascinating and debated topic. 6. STS-75 tether incident. During the 1996 STS-75 mission, a long tether deployed from the shuttle Columbia broke and drifted away. As the crew observed the tether, they filmed multiple objects appearing to move around it, leading to numerous UFO theories. These objects were later explained as debris illuminated by sunlight, but the incident fueled widespread speculation about extraterrestrial presence and the behavior of objects in space. 7. Gemini 4 UFO sightings. In 1965, during the Gemini 4 mission, astronaut James McDivitt reported seeing a cylindrical object with a white pole sticking out of one corner. Despite attempts to photograph it, the images were inconclusive. The sighting occurred while McDivitt was in orbit, and the object's nature and origin remain unknown. This incident is one of the early examples of unexplained sightings in space, contributing to ongoing discussions about UFOs.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.